today we will be testing the buyer to seller volume indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the buyer to seller volume indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 63 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 816 indicators, with 331 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 25 of the winning indicators. 9 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the buyer to seller volume indicator, and you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so what we have is a few oscillating lines here, and so we are going to have the green oscillating line, a red oscillating line, and then a yellow oscillating line. And so really what we are looking for is going to be the position of the green and the red line. And so what most of you can probably guess is that we are looking for instances when the green line is above the red and the yellow to signify a long trade, or when the red line is above the green and the yellow, then that signifies a short trade. And so basically these lines here, the red line and the green line is an indication of the buying pressure or buying volume, and the red line is an indication of the buying pressure or buying volume. And so as they are rising, whichever one is rising or whichever one has risen the furthest, that is the sign of which kind of side is winning in the buyers and sellers. So as we get, again, the cross of the green line, for example, above the red line and the yellow line, we are going to go long. As we get a cross of the red line above the yellow and the green, we are going to go short. So let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of it. All right, so the first signal that we pick up is a short signal. Sorry, it went dead there for a moment. So basically what I was looking at was how high this candle went right here. So you can see that we get a little bit of a push to the downside with this wick here. We get a pull back here and it gets really close to our stop, but we actually miss it. That's what I was looking at. The high of this candle right here, you can see our coordinates here above my mouse. So the H here is going to be the high of that candle. Right here is going to be the close of this candle right here, which is technically our signal candle. The open of this candle right here should be pretty much exactly the same. So we have the close 65223 and the open of this candle is 65223. And so this candle right here, the open of this candle is where we would enter. So as it pulled back right here, we got to 220 pips on this pullback before it then rolled over and pushed to the downside there. That push to the downside did come down and get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we then pick up a long signal right here on this one. Again, we get a push to the downside here. It isn't enough to stop us out though, before we then kind of start to curl back to the upside here. And we make that really nice push to the upside, which does get us to our take profit once again. All right, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long. And we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the year right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It's free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join, take part of the conversations here in the channels here. But we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. For example, one of our members here, Sasquatch, is an awesome Forex prop trader, putting up charts like this on a regular basis of the Forex market. Is marking out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest. You can see another chart here where he's kind of outlined these wedge patterns that he was paying attention to, really help you give an idea of where you should be entering trades. Just kind of help build your knowledge base of exactly how to mark out the charts. We've got quite a few of our other members that are also posting some really great trades that they have taken. They are doing market analysis and, like I said, just in general kind of marking out the trades that they're taking, giving some great advanced information. Wonderful market analysis in general. Our admin Jay is also trading the futures market and the Forex market, doing a great job of doing that, posting charts of it as well. So just a lot of great information in here, a wonderful community of everybody helping everybody out. Highly recommend that you join us and take part of the community here. All right, back to our indicator here. Let's go ahead and scroll back here. All right, let's go ahead and count this out, see what we have. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So we have 16 trades within the 1 year's time, pretty decent, not a bad number of trades. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. 11 winning trades. And so that is going to meet the 60% criteria that we are looking for. All in all, this indicator seemed to do a really decent job. Even when the price wasn't making monster moves, it was still able to catch some really decent moves and keep us in some trades, keep the profit coming in. And so, like I said, all in all, pretty decent. Definitely got us to the 60% win rate that we were looking for. So this one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.